friends, I'm Jamie from SoMuchBetterWithAge.com. Last week I showed you how to paint a chair, how to paint furniture in general, and today we're back to show you how to wax furniture. We're also going to be doing this seat reupholstery in another video after this. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite waxes. I'm also going to tell you a little bit about why I wax. I use mostly Fusion mineral paint. It's an acrylic paint. It's Canadian based, which is why I love it. It's almost like a chalk paint. It goes on like a chalk paint. With chalk paints or Fusion mineral paint, you generally use a wax over your furniture after. If you're using an acrylic paint, you could use a polyurethane, but you can still use a wax over acrylic paint as well. It leaves a very nice buttery finish. It doesn't have the harmful chemicals and fumes in polyurethane. And unless you're doing a tabletop in your dining room, I would stick with wax over furniture. And I'll show you today some of my favorite waxes. We have Miss Mustard Seeds furniture wax, and that is part of Fusion mineral paint. And also Annie Sloan, her clear wax. These are my two favorite furniture waxes. You can't buy them in big box stores, but you can buy them at small retailers and stockists online. You can also find them on Etsy. So if you go to their websites, you can find locations of where to purchase them. They have many colors. We're just gonna do clear wax today, and then my next video I'm gonna show how you can do dark wax and how to do different glazes with it. So there's two ways that you can apply wax to furniture. You use a waxing brush. It's very thick, it's got a little bit of a rounded edge, or you can use a lint-free cloth. I'm gonna use the brush and I'm gonna show you how I apply it and how I buff it off. Okay, we're gonna dab the brush into some of the wax and we're gonna start applying it in sections. We're gonna just do this section here and we're just gonna wipe it on. Just making sure to get into every little nook and cranny. Okay, because this furniture piece is so small, you can almost do the whole thing and then buff it. But normally when I am doing a big dresser, I will do one section, maybe just the top and the sides, leave that for a bit, carry on with the drawers, and then I'll go back and buff off the top and the sides. Basically, you just want it to sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. So I usually work in sections. So just, you have to keep that in mind. You don't want to wax the whole piece and then go back because it starts to harden and you want to buff it, rub it in a little bit when it's still a little bit tacky. So now we're just gonna just do that, buff it. It's just like any kind of wax, wax on and then you wax off. Okay, so now I've done this whole section except the back. I can go and buff this off. Might need to wait another 1 or 2 minutes, but you get the idea. You want to wax it on, let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, wax it off. So for waxing your furniture, just remember to put 1 to 2 coats. If you are gonna do 2 coats, make sure you dry for 24 hours in between. And what you'll get in 30 days is a completely sealed piece of furniture. Wax gets hard, just like paint, the longer it sits, and it's a nice smooth finish. It's a protective layer over your furniture and it'll make your piece of furniture last. And that's it. That's all there is to waxing. So I know you can do this. Be confident in your projects. I know you'll do a great job. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And you can catch the full tutorial on my blog at SoMuchBetterWithAge.com.